In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Steam friend code in just a few seconds. Your Steam friend code is a unique 8-digit number that makes it much easier for people to add you without searching through common usernames. It's especially useful if you want to add friends quickly, share your code in a game community, or send it directly to someone you already know. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're signed into the account you want to share. Once Steam is open, look at the top menu bar and click Friends. This is where all of your social and friend management options are located. After clicking Friends, a drop-down menu will appear, and from there select Add a Friend. When the Add a Friend page opens, you'll see your Steam friend code displayed in large text near the top of the screen. This is the code you can share with other people so they can add you directly. Steam makes this simple because instead of typing out a username that might be similar to someone else's, your friend code is a fast, easy, and accurate way to connect. Now that you can see the code, you can click Copy to copy it to your clipboard. Once it's copied, you can paste it into a message, email, Discord chat, or anywhere else you want to share it. The person you're sending it to can then open Steam, go to the Add a Friend section, and paste your code into the Enter a Friend code box below. After they submit it, they'll be able to send you a friend request instantly. If you don't see your code right away, just make sure you're in the correct Add a Friend section and that Steam is fully loaded. In most cases, the code appears immediately at the top of the page, and if you ever need to add someone else, you can also use their Steam friend code the same way by entering it into that box. So that's it. Finding your Steam friend code is quick and easy once you know where to look. Open Steam, click Friends, select Add a Friend, and your code will be right there at the top. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.